Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share our page, y'all. Let's go. Today we are going to Labida Beach. Yes, the most popular beach in Ghana. And baby, when I tell you this did not disappoint, it did not disappoint. Come along our journey. So we stayed in Osu, and this was like maybe a 10 to 15 minute drive from our hotel in Osu, Ghana. Now, the process is crazy, but it is so worth it. Now, whether you on foot or in a car, you do have to pay to get there and to get in. I think it was 30 cities, but you guys, it's worth it. And I promise you, the money that it gives, or that you have to give, you will be good. The only thing is, you do have to pack your patience. So, sit back, relax, and chill. And once you in, it's all good.
Pay them, me give him the ticket. They give him the ticket. Right there, yeah.
No freebies.
No freebie. Oh, man. Gotcha. Madasi. Yeah.
Excuse our lighting, y'all. So we finally got our tickets. We finally passed the security checkpoints. And now we are able to walk onto the beach. And you have to be on cue, because baby, you're going to be pulled every which way. So get ready.
Yeah, you do big cover up. Hello, hello.
Yes, my name is Harriet. I'm waitress. I want to follow your message for this to see them safely.
I think we know where we're going, though.
But I will show you. Maybe God touch your heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. I will not force you. But we have lobster, tilapia, catfish, yam.
Yeah, we like it. Where you at?
My
Like
place
it in
is
here?
nice, so our food is nice. I'm this side. And we have fresh food, everything. I'll give you many with rice.
Yeah, we like it right here. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. hello.
The good thing about this is we already knew where we wanted to go. But if you don't, trust me, you got lots of options.
Hello.
And they are going to show it all
Yeah,
to
we
you.
like you can sit anywhere. Not in the front though. Yeah, in the middle somewhere. Yeah, this is perfect. Not in the front. Okay. Yeah, because we figured out you sit up there in the front, you're going to get hassle all day. You would not be able to relax, being honest. But yeah. This is the calm before the storm.
Definitely.
We had to come here for our last day. We had to come back to the water. We had to return back to the beach.
How are you?
So we're chilling. I'm chilling. Good. We can still, we can be in the front or the back. You still gonna get No thank you. Yeah. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Maybe if you change your mind, you know.
For sure. For sure. Gotcha. Alright. I'll tune back in a minute once we get some more food. ice and drinks.
Yeah, turn up.
Got the menu. We waiting for the music. Music is usually musical, but it's a calm.
Maybe it's too early. I don't know. I hear going on in there, on the inside, but no.
Like my video and keeping them away a little.
Probably so. Yeah, spring rolls.
Big spring roll to be.
You got pizza. Right now, it's easy going and it's less crowded. Meaning it's a fraction of the people that be here during the peak time. I would say about 3-ish all the way to closing. This beach is off the chain. But don't worry, because it's always a good time there, whether you come there in the morning, afternoon, or the nighttime. But if you want to chill and have less of the hassle, I think the early parts of the morning or the afternoon is the best time to go. Yes, but this beach air is making it feel very good.
Let's get settled in.
Now this is later on in the day, and yeah, as you can see, it's busing, but we still gonna have a good time. Now we have company, which is our tour guide and friend Raymond. He stays in Ghana, and he was very instrumental on showing us around and how to move in Ghana. When you in Ghana, look him up, y'all, because he is the best. You have entertainers all around the beach that's there entertaining you nonetheless, but they are there for money. So I think it's great, and I encourage everyone to support them.
So in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights.
Yes, that is broken glass. No joke. So they definitely earning their money. Patronize the people.
Out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in.
Yes, you can get hookah. Hookah is available. And most of the bars and restaurants are in Labida Beach. It's very affordable. It's very clean. They give you a little disposable smoker thingy, so you all good.
Rolls Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money.
Okay, so the palm wine was delicious. However, it is an acquiring taste. And I would say all of them are not created equal. We tried several different palm wines from different places, and I think all of them tasted different. But overall, it was good, and it definitely give you a buzz. And it's exclusively made in Ghana, so you gotta try it.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gone.
Okay, so as you can see, that palm wine kicked in. I don't know, but yes, that palm wine is the truth. And we are still enjoying ourselves here at Labida Beach.
And go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always Sports, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gone ahead.
Now, as you can see, them chicken kebabs was the bomb. We ate them things down. You and me. Definitely get you some kebabs while you at Labida Beach. As you can see, we enjoying ourselves so much. We ate this front off over here. And yes, the sun is going down, but don't worry, because the people are still coming in. It is never a dull moment here at Labida Beach. You can practically have an excursion all day here at the beach, and the price would be very low. So I encourage you, when you in Ghana, Labida Beach is a must. So, due to YouTube copyrighting us for everything, unfortunately, I have to tell you what Mr. Roberson is saying. He's basically saying he's having him a good time, and you better bring your butt up here if you ain't got it.
My thing,
The horse rides are for sale, so you can purchase them with the guys that you see on the horses. And they make sure that the horses are in line and there are no mistakes. It's very safe.
Sports, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in.
The vibes here are so relaxing, so chill, but so cool and vibrant. Like, the music is great, the food is delicious, and the drinks are affordable and fun. Yes, this is the famous street air food that you can get in Ghana. And I encourage you, if you can do it, you should do it, because I haven't met no one yet that said they did not like this egg. Dwight said it was spicy, it was seasoned, it was flavorful, and he actually wanted another one. And before we left, he was trying to get him another one. So I say it's a 10 out of 10. You gotta try it. So as you can see, Dwight is really enjoying his egg. Even so much so that our tour guide, wanted to give him his. It was so funny. But yes, unfortunately, we can't tell you how much he's enjoying it. But you can see from the video. I'm so sorry that we couldn't play what he was saying. But yeah, he loved this egg. Here it is.
Did he really like it? Very good egg. Maybe on our way home, I'll take a chance. That way. Rub it in.
Okay, now we are finally about to go. We have full tummies. Our good buzz has kicked in. The people are rolling in still. But it's time for us to go. That was the saddest part of our day. But we will be back. Overall, Labida Beach is a 10 out of 10. I would say we both thought that. I strongly encourage you to put this in your itinerary when you're in Ghana. You can go on multiple days, and this is good for a budget-friendly excursion. You get to eat, you get to drink, you get to people watch, and you get entertainment. And that wind from the ocean is so cool. And if you know that sun in Ghana is baking. So the beach is the perfect spot to cool down and have really good vibes.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so thin, say it again, so thin. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, gone ahead.
Thank you for liking our video and come again soon.